We decided to partnership because we realized that both of us have two very important national issues that needs addressing. The issue of people living with disability is one that is not getting the attention it should. We realize that too many people are suffering in Belize because they have disabilities, but they don't have the services, they don't have the support services, they don't have the finances. And then we also saw that the whole issue of oil on a whole is one that needs to be discussed and one that needs to be exposed, because yes, we're saying that we're going to get money from oil, but where is this money? Some of that money that we get from oil needs to go to help these people. We need to put funds in place to be able to say, if this is what we'll get from oil, let's put it here. And that we can only address that through the contracts. The contracts are not skewed in our favor, they're skewed against us. So we also took this opportunity. He wanted to call his ride the Reef Ride because he wanted to focus on the importance of the reef and partner his voice with our voice when we say no to offshore oil drilling. We're not saying that we shouldn't drill at all in this country. We're not saying we shouldn't develop an industry, but it has to be proper regulated. The contracts have to make sure that we get the proper money, and we need to be responsible citizens and say, certain areas are just off limits. This is where we draw the line, and one of those off limits area has got to be offshore oil.